They just making room for what I'm on now. I don't got a clue, but I know the one who does know how. Oh wow, it's like I'm learning.
Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make pasta, which is spaghetti. This recipe is a winner. It has a lot of flavor, and trust me, you're going to enjoy it. If you're interested, keep watching, and don't forget to click the like button and click the subscribe button. It's very important. Okay guys, let's get down to the video.
Let me show you the ingredients. So we are going to be using green pepper, onions, ginger, carrots, tomatoes, pepper, spaghetti, and your boiled meat. So you heat up the pan, add vegetable oil enough to cook the sauce in, and then when it's hot you add onions, stir together, allow to dry for a bit, add green pepper, add your spring onions, and stir everything together. After a few minutes, when the flavor of the green pepper has come out, you are going to add your carrots. Stir all this together. Next, we are going to add tomatoes, stir everything together. Then you add your chopped pepper, stir everything together, allow it to dry. So next we are going to be adding tomato puree, or what we call tin tomatoes. Stir that together, allow it to fry to a bit like it needs to get done. Stir everything nicely together. I love how the sauce is looking. Now we are going to season it. Season with salt, then Maggi cube, so now it's time to add our beef. Remember, you have to cook this beef, then cut it into smaller pieces. Stir everything nicely together. Wow, the sauce looks so yummy. At this stage, you are missing everything. You can taste for salt. If it's not enough, you can add. Allow it to cook till it's looking done or dry. So the next thing is we are going to put our spaghetti on the cooker. Allow your water to boil. Add some salt if you want to, so that it can flavor the spaghetti. Sometimes I add seasoning to the water so that the spag will be more delicious. Allow the spark to boil till it's almost done. It shouldn't be soft and saggy, just till it's almost done, because we are going to transfer it and put it in the sauce just to cook it for a bit. Now is the time we are going to mix everything together. Drain the spaghetti and start transferring to the sauce. The reason I don't put everything at once is because I want to make sure this sauce is enough for the spaghetti I'm using. So we are just going to mix everything together. I love the spaghetti recipe so much. I hope you guys like it. At this stage, you are mixing everything together. Now I'm just going to add a little meat stock to it, then stir everything together. So guys, it's up to you to flavor it as you like, but if you use the ingredients I use, you're going to get the result that. So this is what my spaghetti look like. So delicious. I make it all the time, and this recipe is simple guys, very simple to make. Okay guys, this is it, very easy to make. I really hope you enjoyed this video and like the recipe. If you do, leave me a comment, it encourages me a lot, and I really want to hear from you guys what you want to see on my channel.
I hope you like this recipe. If you do, click the like button, subscribe and leave me a comment. It encourages me and it shows me what you guys want to see from my channel. Check out my other recipe videos and see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.